इंस्टेड ऑफ जब मिस्टर फैसल सिद्दीकी और मिस्टर सलमान अकमल राजा उन्होंने कभी भी डिस्प्यूट नहीं किया, इस पे पहले आर्ग्यू हुआ था, एप्लीकेशन रिजेक्ट हुई थी। फेथ बेंच पे फेथ हो या कोई बायसेस हो, इस हवाले से जो आपके कमेंट्स थे उसमें पर्सनली मैं हर्ट भी हुआ। क्वेश्चन हर्ट का नहीं है यहाँ, आपका अपनी ड्यूटी है, मेरा अपना काम। सो सिंस आपको फेथ नहीं ऑन मी, therefore I have no option except to recuse from this bench.
Thank you.
So my order is here and will be the order of the court order, will be part of the court order. So I don't want to read. अगर अलो करेंगे तो मैं रीड कर लूँ सर?
No need.
दो लफ्जी हैं, दो लफ्जी हैं।
As you wish. As you wish.
In the matter of the ongoing hearing of the review petition before the Honorable Constitutional Bench of the Supreme Court, I have had the privilege of participating as a member of this bench across several dates. During these proceedings, all learned counsel, including Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, advocate for Sunni Ittihad Council, Mr. Salman Akram Raja, advocate for the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, unequivocally expressed their confidence in the composition of the bench, including the participation of all its members. However, on the previous hearing date yesterday, Learned Senior Counsel Mr. Hamid Khan, in the course of his argument, raised an objection, especially targeting the inclusion of certain honorable judges, including me, who were appointed subsequent to the 26th Constitutional Amendment. He questioned the propriety of our participation in this bench for the adjudication of the present matter. While the dignity and impartiality of this honorable court have remained unchallenged throughout these proceedings, and while the broader consensus among the parties thus far has reflected faith in the bench, judicial propriety and the appearance of the impartiality remain paramount in maintaining public confidence in the judiciary. In the light of the objection raised and in deference to the principle of judicial propriety, irrespective of its merit or the timing of its assertion, I consider it appropriate to recuse myself from further hearing of this case. This recusal is made not from any admission of disqualification, but to uphold the institutional integrity and objectivity of these proceedings. I hereby respectfully recuse from this bench.
Greatly appreciate that, sir. It
is not a matter of appreciation. Not a matter of appreciation.
This is because of your conduct.
Let me give you are the third counsel whom we are giving the time for hearing of this matter. Otherwise, you are in CRP number 1264. The interim orders for two counsel already have argued the matter in full strength.
एक केस में दो वकला को इजाजत नहीं होती, आपको हमने इज्जत की खातर आपको मौका दिया, otherwise you are not entitled to argue because
very much entitled. With a separate petition
please आपको मौका दिया गया, आपने इसका नाजायज फायदा।
One of the members have recused. Wait for 10 minutes for further proceedings in this matter.